you ever felt tingling in your hands or feet, burning sensations, or numbness that just won't go away? Maybe your grip feels weak, your balance is off, or even simple daily movements feel more difficult than before. These are warning signs from your nervous system, the network of nerves that controls everything from movement and sensation to thought and memory. The good news? Your nerves have an amazing ability to heal themselves, but they need the right nutrients. Vitamins are some of the most powerful natural tools to repair, protect, and strengthen nerves. They provide energy, reduce inflammation, protect delicate nerve fibers, and help nerves communicate better. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 vitamins that repair your nerves, explain how each one works, what happens if you don't get enough, and the best ways to include them in your diet. By the end, you'll have a complete roadmap to naturally nourish and strengthen your nervous system. 1. Vitamin B1, thiamine, the energy spark for your nerves. Vitamin B1 or thiamine is one of the most important vitamins for nerve health, yet it's often overlooked. Imagine your nervous system as a city's electrical grid. Every message your brain sends, telling your hand to pick up a cup, your legs to walk, or even your heart to beat, relies on a smooth flow of electrical signals traveling through nerves. Without enough fuel, signals slow down, misfire, or stop entirely. This leads to tingling in hands and feet, muscle weakness, fatigue, and poor coordination. Severe deficiency can even affect brain function, causing confusion or memory problems. Thiamine helps your body turn food, especially carbohydrates, into energy called ATP, which nerves use to transmit messages. Low thiamine is like trying to run a city on a dying battery. Nothing works efficiently. Nerves also produce harmful free radicals as a byproduct of normal activity. Thiamine helps activate antioxidants that neutralize these molecules, protecting nerve membranes from damage. It also supports neurotransmitter production, chemicals that nerves use to communicate with muscles. Adequate thiamine ensures nerve messages travel fast and accurately, improving coordination, reflexes, and overall movement. Food sources and tips: whole grains, brown rice, oats, whole wheat bread, legumes, lentils, black beans, kidney beans, nuts and seeds, sunflower seeds, peanuts, flax seeds, meat, pork, liver tips. Avoid overcooking, pair grains with legumes, and include a variety daily. Thiamine is the spark plug for your nervous system, energizing nerves, protecting membranes, and ensuring smooth communication. 2. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, the messenger for your nerves. Vitamin B6 is essential for producing neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers your nerves use to communicate. Without B6, nerve messages become weak or confusing, causing burning, tingling, numbness, mood swings, irritability, and sleep problems. Think of B6 as the messenger factory for your nerves. It helps your body make chemicals like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which regulate mood, calm the nervous system, and keep nerves working efficiently. B6 also helps regulate molecules that can harm nerves if they accumulate, reducing inflammation and protecting delicate nerve fibers. Deficiency can lead to sensory neuropathy, poor reflexes, and impaired coordination. Maintaining sufficient B6 ensures nerve signals move smoothly, improving movement, balance, and even mental well-being. People often feel less tingling, more coordinated, and emotionally balanced when B6 levels are optimal. Food sources and tips: fruits, bananas, avocados, vegetables, sweet potatoes, spinach, carrots, protein, chicken, turkey, tuna, salmon, legumes, chickpeas, lentils. Tips: rotate foods daily. Natural sources are better than high-dose supplements to avoid nerve toxicity. Combine B6 with other B vitamins for full nerve support. 3. Vitamin B12, the protector of your nerve coating. Vitamin B12 is like armor for your nerves. Nerves are wrapped in a protective layer called the myelin sheath, which ensures messages travel fast and accurately. Without enough B12, this sheath weakens, causing numbness, tingling, poor balance, muscle weakness, fatigue, and cognitive issues. B12 also helps nerves get oxygen and nutrients, essential for repair and energy. People with low B12, especially older adults, vegetarians, and those with digestive issues, often have slow nerve healing and chronic discomfort. Supplementing or consuming enough B12 strengthens nerves, improves myelin integrity, and accelerates recovery. It also reduces harmful molecules that can damage nerves, supporting overall nerve health. Adequate B12 ensures smooth nerve signaling, better reflexes, and improved coordination. making daily movements easier and safer. Food sources and tips: animal products, eggs, milk, yogurt, cheese, chicken, fish, red meat. Fortified plant foods, cereals, soy milk, nutritional yeast. Tips: combine animal and fortified plant sources. Regular intake supports myelin repair, reduces tingling, and improves nerve function. 4. Vitamin D, the nerve calmer and repair. Helper vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, acts as a coach for your nerves, guiding them to grow, repair, and communicate efficiently. It regulates calcium inside nerve cells, which is essential for sending signals. Low vitamin D causes misfiring nerves, slow signal transmission, tingling, numbness, burning sensations, and muscle weakness. It also reduces inflammation, protecting nerves from long-term damage, and strengthens the immune system to prevent attacks on nerves. Vitamin D encourages nerve growth and regeneration, helping damaged nerves heal faster. Studies show people with low vitamin D often experience chronic nerve pain, poor coordination, and slower recovery from nerve injuries. Food, sources and tips: sunlight, 15 to 30 minutes daily, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna egg yolks, fortified dairy, plant-based milks, UV-exposed mushrooms. Tips: combine sunlight exposure with vitamin D-rich foods. Adequate vitamin D reduces nerve pain, enhances movement, and supports nerve repair. 5. Vitamin E, the powerful nerve cell protector. Vitamin E is one of the most powerful antioxidants your body can use to protect nerves. Think of it like a shield that guards your nerve cells from daily attacks. Every day, our nerves face stress from toxins, free radicals, inflammation, and even normal metabolic activity. Without protection, these harmful molecules can damage nerve membranes, leading to tingling, numbness, poor coordination, and muscle weakness over time. Vitamin E steps in to neutralize these harmful molecules, keeping nerves strong, flexible, and functional. Beyond its antioxidant role, vitamin E also supports healthy blood flow. Nerves need a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered by tiny blood vessels. If circulation is poor, nerves don't get the materials they need to repair and function, slowing recovery and causing discomfort. Vitamin E helps these vessels stay healthy, ensuring fast, efficient nutrient delivery to nerves. Vitamin E also plays a role in maintaining the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerves. Think of it as the insulation around an electrical wire. Without it, signals become weak or chaotic. Vitamin E strengthens this insulation, helping nerve signals move fast and accurately. Studies show that people with higher vitamin E intake experience reduced nerve pain, better motor control, and improved coordination, particularly as they age or in conditions where nerves are vulnerable to oxidative stress. Deficiency in vitamin E is rare, but can occur in people with fat absorption issues, digestive disorders, or very restricted diets. Signs include muscle weakness, sensory loss, balance problems, and neuropathic pain. Including vitamin E-rich foods in your diet ensures that your nerves are protected, energized, and ready to repair themselves when damaged. Food sources and tips: nuts, almonds, hazelnuts, peanuts. Perfect for snacks and adding to meals. Seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, easy to sprinkle on salads or yogurts. Vegetables, spinach, broccoli, kale, lightly steamed or raw for maximum benefit. Oils, olive oil, sunflower oil, wheat germ oil, used for cooking or dressings. Tips: pair vitamin E with healthy fats to improve absorption. Rotate sources for daily coverage, combining vitamin E with other nerve-supporting vitamins like B complex and vitamin C creates a synergistic effect, enhancing overall nerve protection and repair. In summary, vitamin E acts as a guardian for your nerves, shielding them from damage, improving nutrient flow, and keeping electrical signals precise. With sufficient vitamin E, your nerves remain resilient, flexible, and ready to repair themselves, reducing chronic pain and improving daily function. 6. Vitamin C, the blood flow and repair booster. Vitamin C is widely known for immunity, but it's also a critical vitamin for nerve repair and health. Think of it as the construction manager for your nervous system. It helps produce collagen, a protein that strengthens blood vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients to nerves. Strong blood vessels mean healthy blood flow, ensuring nerves get the materials they need to heal after injury or damage. Without sufficient vitamin C, nerves can become inflamed, recover slowly, and send abnormal signals causing burning, tingling, numbness, and delayed healing. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that attack delicate nerve membranes. Oxidative stress is one of the major contributors to nerve degeneration, especially as we age or in people with diabetes or chronic inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin C helps maintain myelin sheath integrity, protecting nerve insulation, and improving signal transmission. Moreover, vitamin C plays a role in neurotransmitter synthesis, helping nerves communicate effectively with muscles and other nerves. This translates into better coordination, faster reflexes, and smoother movement. People with adequate vitamin C often report faster recovery from injuries, reduced neuropathic pain, and improved overall nervous system performance. Deficiency in vitamin C can lead to slow nerve repair, weak blood vessels, and increased inflammation. Mild deficiency can cause fatigue, tingling, or numbness, while severe deficiency can result in more serious neurological symptoms. Ensuring sufficient intake is especially important for older adults, people under chronic stress, or those with inflammatory conditions. Food sources and tips: fruits, oranges, lemons, strawberries, kiwi, guava, eat raw or lightly blended vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, spinach, tomatoes, cabbage, lightly steamed or raw. Combine with foods rich in vitamin E and B complex to enhance antioxidant protection and nerve repair. Tips: vitamin C is water-soluble and sensitive to heat, so raw or lightly cooked foods are best. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables daily. Combining vitamin C with other nerve-supporting vitamins improves overall nerve repair and resilience. In short, vitamin C is the repair manager of your nerves. It strengthens blood vessels, delivers essential nutrients, reduces inflammation, and ensures nerves communicate efficiently. Adequate vitamin C means faster recovery, less pain, and healthier, stronger nerves. 7. Alpha lipoic acid, ALA, the internal repair technician. Alpha lipoic acid, ALA, is a unique antioxidant that works deep inside nerve cells. Think of it as an internal repair technician, fixing damaged components, improving energy production, and neutralizing harmful molecules at the source. ALA is both water and fat soluble, meaning it can enter every part of the nerve cell, unlike many other antioxidants that stay in one area. This allows it to repair oxidative damage, restore myelin integrity, and improve nerve conduction, which is crucial for reducing tingling, numbness, and pain. ALA also improves blood flow to nerves, delivering oxygen and nutrients efficiently. Better circulation accelerates healing and supports nerve regeneration. People with nerve damage due to diabetes, chronic inflammation, or aging often benefit the most from alpha lipoic acid. It reduces pain, enhances sensitivity in damaged nerves, and improves motor function. Another advantage of ALA is that it helps regenerate other antioxidants such as vitamin C and E. This means it doesn't just work on its own, but it boosts the overall antioxidant network, protecting nerves from future damage. It also helps nerves produce energy more efficiently, keeping them active and responsive even under stress. Food sources and tips: vegetables, spinach, broccoli, green peas, tomatoes. Include regularly in meals, organ meats, liver, kidney, rich in ALA and other supportive nutrients. Supplements: ALA. Supplements are available and can provide higher doses if needed for nerve repair. Tips include ALA-rich foods consistently. Combining with vitamin C and E maximizes repair potential. For people with nerve pain, ALA can significantly reduce discomfort and improve daily function when included as part of a balanced diet. In summary, alpha lipoic acid is the internal repair technician of your nervous system. It repairs damage, boosts antioxidant networks, improves energy production, and enhances nerve signal transmission. Adequate ALA intake means healthier, stronger nerves, reduced chronic pain, and faster recovery from nerve injuries. And that's it, the 7 essential vitamins your nerves need to repair, protect, and stay strong. Small, consistent steps from B1 to ALA can make a huge difference in your energy, movement, and overall well-being. At Fitness2Go, we believe healthy living should be simple, practical, and effective. Start nourishing your nerves today. Keep moving and feel the difference in your daily life. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments, which vitamin will you start with first? Your nerves will thank you and your body will feel stronger.